Hello and welcome to our online PBIS celebration assembly here for our students at Green Springs School. And today, along with me, I have my daughter Isabel, and she is going to help us get started and kick off our assembly. And we do this every 9 weeks. We have an assembly to honor all of our students as we look for the flyer for. And for our first quarter, we honored our students for being respectful. And our second quarter, we honored our students for being responsible. This 9 weeks, for third 9 weeks, we're going to honor those students who were being kind. And we're going to introduce our fourth 9 weeks focus flyer, and that is going to be for being a problem solver. So the main purpose of our assembly today is we want to honor our students for showing kindness during the third 9 weeks, and then we want to introduce problem solving as we go through the rest of the year. And with the whole quarantine situation, it certainly is fitting that problem solving has been for the fourth quarter, as we've all had to do a lot of that every day with it. But as we are in our fifth week of quarantine, Izzy, it sure is hard sometimes to find humor in all of this.
You want to know something, Dad?
What?
The other thing I've noticed, it's been really cold during quarantine.
It has been a little bit chilly.
Although if you want to keep warm, you can just go to a corner.
Why would I want to stand in the corner if I'm cold?
Because it's always 90 degrees.
Oh, wow. Well, the one benefit that I did find out here at quarantine is I have had a little more time to read. Last week, I read this great book on anti-gravity. It was so good, I couldn't put it down. Okay, enough with the bad jokes. Izzy, when we're talking about kindness, and you've been through elementary school, do you have any favorite quotes or any advice for our students about kindness?
Yes, I do. No act of kindness, no matter how small, is ever wasted.
You know what? And that really is true for all of our students, that no matter how small it is or anything that they say, none of that is ever wasted, and it's always good to hear those positive things with others.
Do you have any?
Yeah, I do. I have a favorite quote, and mine for our students is, always stop to think if your fun may be the cause of another's unhappiness. And that is something I'd really like our older students, our fourth and fifth graders, to think about, because it's really hard sometimes, and you get caught up with your friends and some of the things that you might say or do with your group. You might not realize what you're doing might be at the expense of others. And that is certainly not a way that we show kindness at all. And so we want to make sure that all of our students understand the things that they do and how it affects and makes others feel. So that was some great advice about kindness. Thank you.
Hi everybody! I'm out enjoying this beautiful day, and you will not believe what just happened. I ran into Freddie Flyer and Mr. Half. Can you believe that? We're getting ready to do our celebration assembly, and oh my gosh, that's Kara DeChan.
Hey, hi Kara, how you doing?
So
When
excited.
did you make it?
I have a great idea. We have to do our flyer pledge for the assembly. Maybe you can help us out with that, and Mr. Half.
All right, awesome.
All right.
I'll tell you what, Kara, let's read it together. How's it? All right. I believe in myself and am here to succeed. I am respectful, responsible, and problem solver. I will do all I can to help myself and others learn. I will do my best because everything I do today will affect my tomorrow. You are awesome. That was great. Freddie, what do you think? All right.
Bye.
It is time to announce all of our focus flyers for the third 9 weeks. And when we do that, all of the staff members at Green Springs School, we take the 9 weeks and we look for students who display acts of kindness to others that they should be recognized for. And so all of our staff members nominate a student to receive that award. And so we invite everybody to take the next few moments to view the slides where all of our staff members are going to announce the students that they chose to recognize and honor for kindness. And we do want to remind all of our parents and our students that those students will be receiving a yard sign, and that's going to be placed in your yards here on Thursday and Friday. Staff members will be driving around town and out in the countryside, dropping those off to all the students we recognized. So congratulations to all of our winners as you take a few moments to see who all the staff members selected.
Good morning, Green Springs Elementary. I hope this video finds you all healthy. Our last 9 weeks is usually about problem solving, but since we're not at school, I thought we would do some problem solving skills at home, and I have 3 friends that are going to help us. Jackson from 3rd grade, Ben from 4th grade, and Kayla from 5th grade. They're going to take it over right now.
Check your Google Classroom every day and always remember to do work before video games.
Hi, I'm Ben. I'm in 4th grade and I'm still following the flyer for at home. I am being a problem solver by emailing my teacher if I have a question or researching something on the internet if I don't understand.
Today my question is, how are you problem solving while staying home? So how I'm problem solving is Every morning I get up. I try not to sleep in sometimes, but sometimes I do. Sometimes I get up around 7, even 8, 9, or 10. And then after I get up, I like to get right on my Chromebook straight in the morning. I'm in my pajamas still. I like to get on my Chromebook. The first thing I always do is check my emails, and I'm one of those persons that have to have everything organized, so I put the emails in the right folder and respond back to anybody that emailed me, or my teachers, or if they have anything to tell me, or I email my teachers about questions that I had or something. Then I go straight to Google Classroom, check my assignments, see if I have anything that was due today, or due yesterday, or something I forgot to do. I check my Google Classroom, and then I just check all my other websites, see if I have anything else to do. And yeah, that's how I'm problem solving. Thank you.
Hi Green Springs Elementary students, Miss Keller here with my dog Dylan. For those of you who don't know me, I teach kindergarten at Green Springs Elementary, the best school in the universe, with the best students and families in the universe. All of us teachers know how hard you have been working to get your school assignments done at home. Just know your efforts have not gone unnoticed. We know you have had to do a lot of problem solving. So we would like to reward those problem solving skills by having a raffle. Did I hear you say, what do you need to do to enter the raffle? I thought so. Well, this 9 weeks is all about problem solving. We want you to tell us ways that you have been a problem solver at home. You can enter the raffle one of 2 ways. You can take a picture of yourself using problem solving skills, or you can write down a way that you have used problem solving skills on a piece of paper and take a picture of yourself holding the paper in your hand. You will need to email your picture to your homeroom teacher by the end of the day, Monday, April 27th. Now, I bet you are asking, if you win, what do you get? Your teacher will select one winner from your class to win a $10 Amazon gift card. We can't wait to see how you have been problem solvers. Good luck to all of you.
Well, that's it for our assembly. But before I go, I want to tell you a couple things. One, your teachers and I and Mr. Stockmaster, we are all so proud of the work you guys have been doing. Keep up the good work. Keep doing your studies. You're doing great. Also, I want you to know that we miss you, and I know you guys are missing each other too. So be sure to make contact with at least one friend once a week. Reach out to each other, say hello, tell them what you're doing, and stay connected. Well, I don't know about you guys, but I'm tired of being stuck inside, so I think I'm going outside and get some sunshine. Do that too. Bye, everybody.